Everyone, welcome back. As you can see from the title, today we're doing the final Christmas clean as tomorrow is Christmas, so if you need that little bit of motivation, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome to the Christmas cleaning edition. Grab yourself a drink, mine is hot water with lemon and ginger. Get yourself ready for the task you're about to tackle. The countdown for Christmas has already begun, so I hope this video gives you all the motivation you've been looking for to do the tasks you've been avoiding. So grab your cleaning products and join me today. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and thank you so much for clicking this video. On this channel, you'll find great tips to clean and improve your home in a fast and efficient way. So turn on your favorite music, grab your cleaning products, and let's get on. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So today we're going to start with laundry. So I have quite a lot of white towels around the house. I love the color white. But they are a nightmare to wash and to keep clean. So if you're not new to the channel, you know I've used this before. I used it mainly for my son's white clothing, and so I tend to use this quite a lot. Yeah, when I'm in a rush and I need to get all the washing done and I don't have time to soak on all my towels, I tend to go for this. I tend to use this if it's an emergency. But if I'm not in a rush and I like to pre-soak my stuff, I would use bicarbonate soda and white vinegar. So these are my two products that I use on my towels or any clothing. These are my two go-to products. I start with the white vinegar first because I always forget. I'm going to pour that into the fabric softener compartment. And then I'm going to close it. Other one. And this is where I pour in the bicarb soda. That's what I pour. And then I pour it to the hottest one. Now to top up the dishwashing tablets. So onto the lounge to clean the sofa, remove any stains that are there. Now that the washing machine's done, I'm going to take out the towels and get ready for the next load of laundry. All white, a lot whiter. It just maintains the whiteness. So yeah, that's that done. In the kitchen, we're going to clear the rack and clean the sink.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intention. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas.
Now we're going to focus in the bathroom. We need to just quick tidy up. We've done a deep clean already, so this is just a quick tidy up.
Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of
With the bathroom done, I'm just going to do the office area because we might be working from home, so just quickly going to do that as well.
the holidays is here. Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas.
Now we're going to focus on the laundry. Most of it is dried up now. We're going to fold it and put it away. And the towels as well, they're done. So I'm going to fold them and put them away, ready for our guests.
I've been love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the year. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here.
well, that's it for me, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this little series, getting ready for Christmas together. I know quite a lot of people needed the motivation to clean because it does get quite hectic, and so I really hope this was really helpful, and I will see you guys on the next one. Have a lovely Christmas tomorrow, and yeah, have a great time. See ya. Bye.